Are you ready to travel back in time and meet the creatures that lived alongside the dinosaurs? These ancient beasts were just as fascinating and awe-inspiring as their more famous counterparts. In this video, we'll explore the incredible diversity of prehistoric animals that once roamed the earth, from the smallest insects to the largest marine reptiles. Get ready to discover their unique features, adaptations, and behaviors that allowed them to survive and thrive in a world dominated by the dinosaurs. Section 1: Marine Reptiles. The Mesozoic era was a time of great upheaval and change, with the continents shifting and the climate fluctuating. Despite these challenges, a diverse array of marine reptiles flourished in the oceans. From the long-necked plesiosaurs to the fearsome mosasaurs, these prehistoric beasts ruled the seas. We'll explore their incredible adaptations, such as streamlined bodies, flipper-like limbs, and specialized teeth for catching prey. And we'll showcase some of the most well-known marine reptiles, such as the Elasmosaurus and Pliosaur, as well as some lesser-known species that are just as fascinating. One of the most impressive marine reptiles was the ichthyosaur, a sleek and streamlined predator that roamed the oceans for over 150 million years. With their torpedo-shaped bodies and powerful tails, ichthyosaurs were perfectly adapted for life in the water. They also had large eyes that allowed them to see in low-light conditions. And some species even possessed a secondary palate that allowed them to swallow prey whole. Ichthyosaurs were truly some of the most remarkable creatures of the Mesozoic era. Section 2: Pterosaurs. These winged wonders were the first vertebrates to achieve powered flight, and they did it with style. With their elongated fingers and membranous wings, pterosaurs were some of the most remarkable creatures of the Mesozoic era. We'll take a closer look at their anatomy and explore the incredible diversity of pterosaurs, from the tiny Nemicalopterus to the massive Quetzalcoatlus. We'll also dive into their unique adaptations, such as the elaborate head crests of some species, and discuss the latest research on their flight capabilities. One of the most fascinating pterosaurs was the pterodostro, a bird-like creature that lived during the late Cretaceous. Pterodostro had a unique adaptation that allowed it to filter feed on small organisms in the water. It had a long, slender beak lined with hundreds of tiny teeth that acted like a sieve, allowing it to strain plankton and other small creatures from the water. This adaptation was so efficient that some scientists believe pterodostro may have been able to filter feed while flying, a feat that no other animal has ever achieved. Section 3: Other prehistoric animals. The dinosaurs may have been the stars of the show, but they weren't the only creatures on the block. A diverse array of prehistoric animals roamed the land. One of the most bizarre prehistoric animals was the Dimetrodon, a sail-backed predator that lived during the Permian period, long before the dinosaurs. Dimetrodon had a distinctive sail on its back that was made up of elongated spines. Some scientists believe that this sail may have been used for thermoregulation, while others think it may have been used for display or to intimidate rivals. Whatever its purpose, the sail of Dimetrodon remains one of the most fascinating features of any prehistoric animal. Conclusion: the prehistoric animals of the Mesozoic era were some of the most remarkable creatures to ever walk, swim, or fly on this planet. They were diverse, tenacious, and fascinating in their own right. In this video, we've only scratched the surface of what we know about these ancient beasts, and there's still so much more to discover. We encourage you to continue exploring the world of prehistoric animals and to visit local museums, fossil sites, or other educational resources. Who knows what other incredible creatures are waiting to be discovered beyond the dinosaurs?